Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover the truth behind the products you love or might love. Today we're looking at a brow tool that promises precision and effortless shaping, the Jane Iredale PureBrow Shaping Pencil in Neutral Blonde. This retractable pencil comes with a built-in spoolie designed to outline, shape, fill, and fluff your brows with a water-resistant, smudge-proof formula. Plus, it's hypoallergenic and cruelty-free, so it's gentle on skin and kind to animals. Right out of the box, the pencil feels lightweight but solid in hand. The retractable design is convenient, no need for a separate sharpener, and the spoolie end is soft enough to blend without tugging at delicate brow hairs. The shade Neutral Blonde leans natural, great for fair to medium tones, and has a subtle finish that mimics real brow hairs instead of looking painted on. Using it in my routine was straightforward. The formula glides easily, allowing me to define the arch and softly fill sparse areas. The spoolie does a great job fluffing and blending, so you don't get harsh lines. I tested its water-resistant claim by lightly dampening the brows, and I'm happy to report minimal smudging, perfect for long days or humid climates. The only thing I noticed is that because it's not overly creamy, very sparse or coarse brows may require multiple passes to achieve full coverage, but that's a minor trade-off for the precision it offers. I really appreciate the balance of pros and cons here. On the plus side, the pencil is easy to use, versatile, hypoallergenic, and travel-friendly with its retractable design. The water-resistant formula keeps brows put without looking stiff. On the downside, the coverage can take a few extra strokes for sparse brows, and those looking for darker shades will need to pick a different color. As for value, Jane Iredale products are positioned in the mid to premium range, and this pencil delivers quality that aligns with its price. The precision, cruelty-free formula, and longevity make it a solid investment for anyone serious about natural-looking brows. Compared to other mid-range brow pencils, it holds its own, especially with the spoolie included. Some competitors require a separate brush for blending. The build feels sturdy, the retractable mechanism works smoothly, and the spoolie maintains its shape even after repeated use. No issues with breakage so far, and given the quality of the formula, I anticipate it will last for months without drying out. Jane Iredale's reputation for skin-friendly, ethical products reassures me that customer support would be responsive if needed, though I haven't had to reach out myself. If you're exploring alternatives, there are some slightly cheaper brow pencils that do a decent job, but many lack the hypoallergenic or water-resistant properties, so it's worth weighing the added benefits if those features matter to you. So, what's the verdict? This brow pencil strikes a great balance between natural-looking definition and ease of use. It's ideal for anyone who wants precise shaping without harsh lines, particularly fair to medium-toned users. It won't disappoint if you value a gentle formula and a long-wear smudge-proof finish. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Jane Iredale PureBrow Shaping Pencil, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.